Hello, Vaportone, welcome. Have you ever wanted your breakfast to taste like a place? Well, I'm here to show you how to make your to make your oatmeal taste like airport. I'm gonna teach you how to make airport oats. Yes, true. So here are all the ingredients you'll need. We're gonna start with some minute oats, of course, quick 1 minute oats. We got, of course, the oat milk. Right now it's kind of wearing a little snapback of a cup. But yeah, just some oat milk. I didn't really have any normal milk. Then we're gonna have some peanut butter and some after eights. Now these are little, they're like mint chocolate guys. Dark chocolate mint thins. Delightfully minty. I've never seen these before. I got these for Christmas, but if you don't have these, you could easily substitute probably like some Andes mints. The difference with these is they actually have like a little mint filling inside, not like an Andes mint. So yeah, and then you'll need some salt just to deepen the flavor, bro. So first step, I got a secret half cup in here, but you're gonna pretty much make the minute oats as per the instructions. So for these ones specifically, you're gonna need half cup of oats, 1 cup of water or liquid or milk. Oh shit. Okay. This is gonna go. This is gonna go really well. Oh no, it's all good. You kind of want to stop a little bit early of the top of the cup because it will get a little milky. So pour that in there. Salem's kind of all over the oat milk right now. Here you go. You can have some. You little idiot. A little bit of salt. I'm not a big fan of salt in general, but that's because I'm an idiot. Got your after 8. These are kind of fun because they come in little sleeves, so you don't have to touch it. And then I usually add the peanut butter later because it will get a little bit more quote-unquote burnt in the oatmeal. So yeah. So now we just microwave the minute oats as per the instructions for 2 minutes. Quick hot tip. If you want your shit to be microwaved evenly, put it on the side like that. Hello. Hi. 2 minutes. Excuse me? Yeah, I don't really know why they taste like airport, but it's kind of like the peanut butter adds like a little nuttiness. Not too much, actually. It's kind of weird. Like you'd think you'd just make the whole thing taste like peanut butter, but it doesn't. And then the mint, there's like a little tiny chocolate flavor, and then the mint really like brings it back into feeling like very clean. Like when you walk in the airport, it's like you're tired, but you also like notice how clean it is, and like all the sparkly tiles are sparkly, and you're like, what the hell? This place is weird. So yeah, that's kind of how it tastes. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't get the beeps of the micro. It's gonna be hot. It's hot. Hot. I didn't get the beeps of the microwave, but y'all believe me, right? Yeah, so then we're gonna mix it up. I actually don't have a spoon. So yeah, we mix this up. You're gonna see a little bit of the after 8 coming into play. Where are you? Okay, well, you saw it for the right? Anyway, it's all melted up. And so is that like mint filling. So, oh, it's starting to smell real minty. Starting to smell like airport. And the airport, it's not like the airport smells like mint. It's more of like, that's just how the oatmeal tastes with it. So now we're gonna taste test. Ooh, yeah. That's minty. That's weirdly tastes like airport. So we're gonna get, I don't know, what is this, like a tablespoon of peanut butter in here. So just mix that in. Remember to close everything because you don't want it to go bad in like 40 seconds like peanut butter usually does, right? Mix it. You see that color change and you get some fragrance. Get some peanut buttery fragrance. Excellent. Now, once you're at like a homogeneous texture slash color, it's pretty much done. And so, yeah, let's give it a good taste. All right, so another important thing that I forgot to mention, it's gonna be really hot. Did you know that if you put stuff in the microwave, they will be hot? So definitely want it a little bit time to cool. All right, let's give this bad boy a taste. So we got, and it's still kind of hot, so I won't be taking the whole spoonful, but yep. That tastes like the airport. It's one of those recipes that you just have to do it to realize what I'm talking about. It's pretty creamy. It's quite nutty starting up, and then you get that little minty aftertaste, and you're like, peanut butter mint. It tastes like Terminal C. So yeah, like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Comment down below what other stupid food hacks you have. I wouldn't really consider this a hack. This was just something I threw together, and I was like, Terminal B. It's like the Tom Hanks movie. Is it Tom? I don't know anything about movies. Anyway, see ya!